think the special here will be that you do very little practice. You have to go out and floor it and go flat out straight away. And also, as there's little driving time, you have only a few times, and the feedback between the drivers will be so key to squeeze the maximum out of each other. Unfortunately, we had a really big crash. We are very disappointed now because it's just the beginning of the real weekend. So I think we have learned a lot as a team, how we should drive the car to be fast and so on. And I think we will digest this, fine-tune our game plan, and then go to Senegal and be ready for another try to get the first trophy of the year.